Hello, it's me again. Hopefully some of you are still with me. So leaving the last videos, you would have chosen a game type to create. So no matter what game type it was, we left it by generating the APK. Now, depending on how many pictures you have in your quiz, will depend how long it takes for these links to become available and the app to generate. So I had 10 images in mine, and you can see from the email at 4:09 they said they were creating it, and 4:12 it was done. So it was very quick considering I just had 10 pictures. The more pictures you got, the longer it can take, so don't get put off when it says it can take up to 24 hours. It is very quick, but will take slightly longer depending on how many contents or how many pictures you have. So once it's complete, you've had the email to say it's complete, and you refresh your page, you will see these icons here. Now the pencil, if I click on that, it takes me back into my app. So if there's anything that you want to change, you can make a change a color, change the content, anything, and then you could generate a new APK and you go through the process again. Okay, I don't want to do that, so I'm going to go back to the front screen, because what I want to do is I want to download the APK. So I can click on the downwards arrow or the three dots to get the download APK. What it also does is it generates you some screenshots. So if you did want to upload to the Google Play Store, it's supplying you the images that you need to do that upload. You can have clone games. So if suddenly you decide, okay, I want to create another guess the picture, and I want all of the settings and everything to be the same, I'll just clone it, and you'll get a second line when you can then rename your clone and then maybe change the pictures. So you have two identical guess the picture apps in this case, and you would just change the pictures and the name of the app. But what we want to do here is download the APK. So I'll click that, and you can see straight away it's downloading. 19 megabytes in size, so it's done. That was pretty quick. So what we've then got to do is we've got to try and get that onto our Android device. Now, you can't email an APK file because most companies like Google will see it as a virus, so it fails. So what I tend to do is I use Google Drive. So if you have got a Google account, you should have drive.google.com, and you should have ample space, I think 15 gig for free. What I did here, you can see the APK, I uploaded it. So you can simply just do new or add a file, or just right mouse click, upload file, and then upload it from your downloads folder on your PC to bring it into this location. So upload file, go into your downloads folder, and you can see your APK. Click on open, and it will download to here. So then what we need to do is we need to get that onto our device. So what I'm going to try and do now, if I can get it to work, is show you how to do it. So what I'm now doing is I'm showing my Android device. So as long as you're registered on your Google account on the phone, I will go to Google Drive. And what you can see here is the APK that we uploaded. Now, out of the box, most Android devices will not let you install this for security reasons. Because this isn't through the Google Play Store, it's not an approved application. So you will have to tweak your settings on the phone to allow an unknown developer to install their app. Now, this will vary from phone to phone, but you will find it in your main settings, and it usually comes under security. So if I go into security, you have what they call unknown sources. Allow the installation of apps from unknown sources. You will have to enable that to be able to download the APK that you have created. So as that's installed, I can now go back out, And if I go to my Google Drive and I click on my APK file, it'll download. I've already previously downloaded it, so that was very quick for me, but you may see it go through a download process for a couple of seconds, and then I can click on install. So what it's going to do is install the APK or the application onto the phone. Hopefully not too long. Awkward silence. The Android device that I am using is quite an old phone. There you go, so the app is installed. So we could open it straight away. I'm just going to click done for now, because what you will see is if I go back to my phone dashboard, somewhere you can see it in the top corner here is our C19 isolation quiz. It's been installed. So let's open it. Let's see what it looks like. So here's the splash screen we chose. If you remember, I chose no icon. And here we are at level 1. So it says, what is this? So we know we set the word kettle. Helps if I spell it right. So well done, level 1 complete. And we get 1 coin because that was all set in the settings of the app to how many coins you get per completing of the level. If I click on continue, here we are at level 2. Now you can see in the top we're at level 2, we've got 26 coins. Let's try and use a hint. So to expose a letter, 15, to remove a letter, 15, or to solve the question altogether, it's 30. So we don't have enough to solve the question. So if I chose that, it would then say, well, you need to get more coins. You can either tweet our game or share on some other platforms. We're not going to do that, but let's say I want to expose a letter. So that's used 15 of my coins, and it's given us an N. So I know it's iron. So we can click on the burger icon in the top right hand corner to get our menu. We can change the sound to on or off because they sometimes can get annoying to other people that are sat around you, especially if your kids are playing it and the adults are trying to watch TV. Let's close this menu. So basically that is it. That's how easy it is to get the APK from your Quick App Ninja dashboard to your phone. Thank you very much again for watching. Let's hope you listen to more. Thank you.